Welcome to Trade Decorator Live 2023. Let's take a look at all the amazing things that are happening inside. Welcome to the show.
It has been absolutely amazing. It's been bigger and busier than I expected it to be. And to be honest, for me, it's more to do with the social aspect of things. I spend a lot of time online, on forums, talking to other decorators, talking to manufacturers. To come to a place like this and meet the people that I've been talking to for the last 12 months is fantastic. For an event this size to be in the industry can only be a good thing. It benefits everybody. It benefits the manufacturers, it benefits the decorators. So for me, it's a massive, massive boost. It's a massive bonus.
So I was here last year, obviously when we were in a different location. And the way it compares is that it feels much bigger. The lovely thing is, although it feels really, really big, it's really feeling like it's a real heart and there's a real buzz.
You know, some of the other trade events that happen and other exhibits that happen can be very corporately bound, and therefore you're dealing with obviously a high scale buyers and such like, whereas at least with trade decorating, you're right in front of the people who are actually, at the end of the day, the bread and butter who are buying your products.
I'm new to the industry, so I need to meet people who are in this industry and get to know what people are looking for, so we can feed that back and bring it into our product. We'll get to service people with what they want, not what we want, what they want.
I think it's just getting more recognition. You know, the more it goes on, the bigger it's getting. So every year I can see this growing bigger and bigger. But for me, it's just about being seen and people knowing where you are in the industry.
We came today, we're not really decorators, but we do upcycle furniture. We sell French sheet paint and the polyvinyl stuff here. And we were coming today to look for a spray painter, just to have a nosy around and see what was here.
It's the first time I've been to Trade Decorator. It was really nice to see all sorts of decorators from different backgrounds. From seeing them and speaking to them, I get to know what sort of jobs they're doing, what sort of projects they're doing. I'm learning as well as me trying to teach them about the product too, so it's been nice.
Definitely come next year to Trade Deck Live. Fantastic. Also, they've got free lunch and nice training seminars as well, and airless spraying seminars tomorrow as well. So yeah, we're using that.
This one's a little bit smaller than the one we usually go to in Coventry, but there's a lot more going on. We find there's a lot more people talking, and we're constantly speaking to people on Instagram about our business. And over a couple of years, you never actually get the chance to meet people. This is a great place to meet people. So we're networking, we're making connections. And not only that, this really helps to keep yourself in the loop with new products on the market and what's the best thing to offer your trade at the time.
Meeting the people that we always talk to on social media, like, it's something that's always done behind our phones. And you know, I talk to thousands of people, and when we come together and meet them all, I think it's absolutely fantastic. It's nice to put a name to the face.
It's bigger. It's better than I think it was last year, mainly down to the crowds that have come in and the interest in our product. Like I said, we were there last year, and this year the interest has just gone through the roof. So it's really good to see that Rubio Monaco as a brand and as a product is getting the exposure, and Trade Decorator Live obviously help that out massively.
We've had great interaction with lots of different customers, end users, distributors alike. Lots of new opportunities, which is absolutely fantastic and exactly what we were looking for. I've also been involved in a lot of the online build up to the show on social media, and if you haven't done it before, get on board.
Yes, we have been in few decorating shows. We have been in so many actually, and so far this is one of the best that I've been to. I've met so many business developers, managers as well, and it's so cool and it's amazing. I enjoy doing that. And yeah, so far this is the best trade show I've been.
This is the second year that we've done this show. Last year was very good. This year is an even better show for us. There's a lot of people, different people that we haven't met before, and talking to other people on other stands, they've really enjoyed it as well.
I think the diverse nature of the show and all the different exhibitors, painting is a traditional trade. There's so much more to be learned, and even in the few hours of being here today, I've learned so much.
I would also like to say how much I admire what Paula and her team have done putting this on, and I will continue to be a big exponent of this trade show. Paula and her team have done a fabulous job.